What's up, everyone? In this video, we're doing the weekly recap of the stat modeling strategy. This week was insane for the markets. The S&P 500 kind of tanked down, but even more important than that, just like growth stocks all across the board just got destroyed. You could look at Palantir, Corsair, DraftKings, Zoom. You could look at the ARK fund. It's just really tanking right now, and it really does suck for the short term, but for the long term, it should present a pretty amazing opportunity. But with that being said, let's get right into this week's recap. So looking at some of the outstanding or the current swing plays, some of them are definitely tanking down a good amount, like XBI, and some other ones like that. But we do have some hedges in place, like Tom has the XOM puts, I have the SMH puts, which should do pretty well, especially if the bleeding continues. With those two, we also have HYG puts and then JNK puts, which have been doing pretty well for the most part. But obviously, the ideal scenario would be if the market explodes up. But all in all, if the market does continue down, one, it'll present a great opportunity for the long term. It will hurt in the short term, but then we do have some hedge plays current that will help protect the portfolio. So yeah, swing's been a little bit rough lately, especially with the market tanking down. But worst case scenario, it'll just present amazing opportunities for the next couple of months. Then looking at the bot plays, the bot had one of its best weeks in quite a while. Basically I don't want to say every play, but 4 out of the 5 plays worked very well this week. We could start with the first one being PG, popped for 33%, VXX popped for 66%, AMD popped for 199%. The second VXX play only popped for like 9.5%, and that one was kind of a dud. That one didn't really work out. And then MARA popped for like 52%. So it had an amazing week with all of the volatility, which is awesome to see because it definitely was not an easy week, especially for like intraday trading. So the bot was it had some very impressive results this week, which was awesome to see. I know a lot of people benefited from the bot, and especially looking at the play from Friday, MARA, it was a pretty simple play. Like, it just tanked all day for the most part. Like, it had some pops up, but for the most part, it was a pretty awesome play, which was awesome to see. So yeah, that's good. And then if we look at the premium selling plays, these have been going pretty good for the most part. If any of these options are assigned, essentially Hunter will just sell covered calls on them most likely, or just hold them for the long term. But either way, there's definitely an edge to selling options, whether it is covered calls or cash secured puts, because implied volatility normally overstates realized volatility, and that definitely gives a huge edge to options sellers. So with that being said, even if some of these puts do get assigned, a lot of these stocks are at pretty awesome levels, so it's not like anything you have to worry about, and Hunter can just sell covered calls if need be. But all in all, the market was crazy this week. Hopefully it recovers next week, and hopefully these growth stocks get their stuff together, because they've just been getting destroyed. And it's not like just DraftKings or just Palantir or just Corsair. Like, basically all growth stocks are getting destroyed. Like Zoom down it's down crazy, like especially over the past year. But like even DOCU today, that's down 42% on the day. That's insane. So hopefully we see these growth stocks recover. I'm sure a lot of people are hoping for that. But besides that, thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day.